we would like to introduce you to our BVT-516, an innovative fully autonomous VTOL drone built with NATO guidelines for precision, endurance, and reliability. Where it truly excels is in its remarkable range and endurance. With up to 150 minutes of continuous flight time and an impressive 120 kilometers per hour maximum speed, the BVT-516 can cover expansive areas without the need for recharging or landings. This makes it ideal for long-range surveillance, mapping rugged terrains, or conducting reconnaissance over vast landscapes without limitations. It's built to withstand challenging weather conditions, with a wind tolerance of up to 50 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable flight and reliable performance, even in harsh environments. Boasting a payload capacity of 2 kilograms, it's both lightweight and robust, ideal for carrying everything from thermal sensors to high-resolution cameras, no matter how challenging the mission. Powered by dual 17,500 milliamp-hour batteries, offering exceptional endurance and longer flight times to support demanding missions and extended operations. The BVT-516 drone offers an impressive 2-centimeter positioning accuracy, ensuring precise navigation and superior control. It even boasts an impressive 20 kilometers per hour rate of climb, allowing it to ascend quickly and efficiently, ensuring optimal performance in demanding environments. The aircraft has a weight of 8.5 kilograms without the battery, ensuring a lightweight design that supports improved flight efficiency and maneuverability. Whether it's multispectral imagery for agricultural analysis or thermal infrared for military surveillance, the BVT-516 delivers with accuracy. By capturing real-time data, the drone enables in-depth analysis, vital for missions requiring immediate and actionable insights. With a suite of sensors, including multispectral and thermal cameras, it offers unparalleled precision for industries ranging from military to environmental conservation. The BVQ-418 Smart Quadcopter is an innovative drone built with NATO guidelines, designed to deliver outstanding performance in various industries. It comes with a soft trolley for easy transportation and a portable hard case for safe storage, ensuring that you can take it wherever your missions require. The drone is engineered for quick assembly, allowing you to set it up without hassle and be ready for action in no time. Its applications are vast, from infrastructure inspections, like monitoring power lines or bridges, to fire prevention, where it can assist in early detection and monitoring in fire-prone areas. Also excels in precision farming, enabling farmers to survey their crops and manage irrigation with ease. With a 90-minute maximum flight time, the BVQ-418 provides extended mission capabilities, while its 7-kilogram max payload offers versatility, allowing you to carry various equipment, from cameras to sensors. The drone is compatible with over 40 different payloads, which makes it adaptable to many use cases, whether you're conducting surveillance or collecting data in hard-to-reach areas. The aircraft is not only ideal for defense applications, offering reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities, but also incorporates beXStream control, enhancing its mission command capabilities with real-time decision-making features. Additionally, the drone can be controlled remotely for ease of operation during missions. For safety, the drone comes equipped with a collision avoidance function, which detects obstacles and adjusts the flight path to avoid them, ensuring smooth operations. With all these features, the BVQ-418 Smart Quadcopter is the perfect tool for tackling a range of complex tasks in various fields. Our HEIFU Pro tactical drone is a highly capable and versatile drone designed for demanding missions. With a 22 kilometers per hour rate of climb, it can quickly ascend to optimal flight altitude, making it ideal for rapid deployment in various scenarios. The drone boasts an impressive 65 kilometers per hour wind tolerance, enabling it to perform reliably in challenging weather conditions, ensuring that operations can continue smoothly in windy environments. With a maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour, the HEIFU Pro can cover large areas quickly, making it effective for tasks that require both speed and precision. It also supports a 3.5 kilogram maximum payload, allowing you to equip the drone with a variety of sensors or cameras for different mission needs. Additionally, it offers beXStream remote control, providing operators with intuitive, real-time command and control, enhancing mission efficiency and safety. Beyond vision, leading the way in autonomous, fully integrated flight technology.